Hi guys.
Hello and welcome to Niharika Salon.
I received my birthday gift from Anmol.
ऐसे बेवकूफ़ों को कुछ पता ही नहीं होता.
I was legit the driver. I'm literally on retail therapy at this point. यार आप जाओ यार, आप तो बेइज्जती मारने बैठ गई हो. हाँ तो क्या? Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing awesome. I think that you guys know it by now that if I'm in the car, then I'm obviously vlogging. So basically today's vlog is very impromptu. मैंने ऐसा कुछ plan वगैरह नहीं किया है. But there are a lot of things that are happening this week. Most of them are very exciting and very new for me. So I thought why not, just vlog it and share it with you guys. So why I'm in the car right now is because I'm gonna go to this place somewhere in Tripuri. If I'm not wrong, that's the name of the place. So अगर गलत होगा तो मैं लिख दूंगी स्क्रीन पे जहाँ भी हम जा रहे हैं. We are going to get some wool because I've been seeing this sweater vest trend going on for quite some time. I think it came into picture last year and it's still going on, and I love sweater vests. मैं अपने पापा के sweater vests, I just wear them so often. If you follow me on Instagram, then you know it. I wear them all the time. Rather than buying them from H&M and Zara and Urbanic, I could go get some wool and ask my mom's friend, who's gonna accompany us by the way, to make them for me because she makes amazing sweaters. So that's what we're gonna do. Now I'm gonna go pick up my mother because I came to get some things and I thought why not just shoot the intro here only. I'm gonna go pick her up and then we're gonna go to the market and get the wool. I'm gonna show you around and I'm also gonna show you the sweaters once they're ready. So let's go. नहीं आगे नहीं करूँगी अब मैं, अब ड्राइवर ऐसे चलता है.
Rising up like a phoenix is. Been tired of pushed down the ground.
Okay, so as I mentioned, हम गए थे in the look to get the wool because दिल्ली में इससे better wool कहीं नहीं मिलती है. And we went to the shop named Quality Traders and मम्मा एंड आंटी हमेशा यहीं से wool लेते हैं. And they had a huge variety, मतलब with respect to the quality, the colors, the texture, the softness, whatever, you name it and they had it. डायरेक्शन त्रिपुरी कोई जगह नहीं है, एटलीस्ट दिल्ली में जितना मुझे पता नहीं है. एंड जिस जगह के बारे में मैं बात कर रही थी दैट वाज त्रिनगर, बट मुझे एक्चुअली जाना था इंदरलोक. बहुत ज़्यादा कंफ्यूजिंग हो गया. बट मुझे उनके बारे में 1% कोई आइडिया नहीं है. तो मम्मी और आंटी उस पर्टिकुलर शॉप से हमेशा वहीं से लेते हैं. तो इसलिए आई वॉज जस्ट द ड्राइवर. आई वॉज लेजिट द ड्राइवर. दोनों लोग पीछे बैठे हुए थे एंड आई वॉज लाइक मैं ड्राइवर हूँ क्या आपकी, मेरे को कोई आइडिया नहीं है क्या बनने वाला है. आई एक्चुअली वॉन्ट टू शो यू द कलर्स दैट आई फाइनलाइज्ड, बट वो आंटी ऑलरेडी लेके चली गई हैं, सो can't do that. But I got hot pink color and black and I'm really excited about how they're gonna turn out because let's see, I'm not sure. मैं कभी हाथ के बने हुए स्वेटर्स नहीं पहनती हूँ तो मुझे कोई आइडिया नहीं है.
ऐसे बेवकूफ़ों को कुछ पता ही नहीं होता, क्या करें.
यार आप जाओ यार, आप तो बेइज्जती मारने बैठ गई हो. हाँ तो क्या बता. क्या बोल रही थी अभी आप?
मेरी बेटी की शादी है.
कौन से वाले की है?
या इसकी.
मेरी वो शादी वादी नहीं है. कल बाय द वे मम्मी जाएंगी मेरा लहंगा लेने के लिए.
मैं आप लोगों को नहीं दिखाऊंगी पर.
कल जाएगी मम्मी मेरा लहंगा लेने के लिए. मतलब मैं सिलेक्ट करके आ गई थी बट वो लहंगा अभी भी भाई पड़ा हुआ है और 2 हफ्ते हो गए हैं, बट मुझे उसका ब्लाउज वगैरह सिलवाना है. सो मम्मी कल जाएंगी लहंगा लेने के लिए एंड मैं एक बारी मैं दिखा दूंगी मैं तुमको. ओके सो या my sister did not really want this to go out yet, but मम्मी ने बोल ही दिया है. तो my sister is getting married and that's the reason I've been like on and off on YouTube. So much of work is pending. If you okay, sorry, battery is low, but if you look at my room right now, it just feels like I'm living in a storeroom because सब जगह सामान है. Okay, so yes, this is how my room looks like at this point. बेड पे सारा उसके कपड़े रखे हुए हैं, सूटकेसेस पड़े हुए हैं, डब्बों में उसका सामान है. There is like a lot of stuff. मैं पिछले 5-6 दिन से literally नीचे सो रही हूँ. यहाँ पे जहाँ पे I actually shoot, वहाँ पे मैं सो रही हूँ because there is no space in the room. Hi, after a billion years, the last time I vlogged was last Sunday and this is Saturday. I had the most hectic week ever. Mummy, बोलो hello.
Hi.
How are you?
Fine, thank you.
हम जा रहे हैं कैंप. अब हम जा रहे हैं किंग्सवे कैंप. हमें ज्वेलर पे काम है और मम्मी कह रही है सबको नहीं बताते सब चीज़ें, लेकिन हम जा रहे हैं ज्वेलर और ज्वेलर पे जा रहे हैं और कुछ तो काम है मम्मी को. उसके बाद गाड़ी में हवा भरवानी है, पापा ने बोला है.
देखते रहेंगे।
moving on close to my goal. Time is now, place is here to rest. Filling the holes of my soul.
हाय गाइस,
तुम इसे बोलो ना।
हम जा रहे हैं चप्पल की शॉपिंग करने।
अब मम्मी की सैंडल्स लेने जा रहे हैं क्योंकि
नो नाइस वाली चप्पल।
अब मम्मी की हम सैंडल्स लेने जा रहे हैं क्योंकि कल मम्मी घूमने जा रही है हमारी।
सारी दुनिया को पता थी
मम्मी के लिए चप्पल लेने आए हैं क्योंकि मम्मी
क्योंकि इसके पास घर में तो कुछ है ही ना। कल जाएगी इसलिए कल ही आई। बेचारी नंगी पुंगी घूम रही है।
I like, I go, I get. No one can hold me back. I see, I like, I go, I get. Go, I get, go, I get, go, I get now.
दिस डिज़ाइन लेजिट यूज्ड टू बी देयर जब मैं कॉलेज में थी मतलब
Go, I get, go, I get, go, I get now. I got my lows, I got my highs. Moving on close to my goal.
हेलो हेलो
Good morning, you guys. It is Sunday morning and it is currently 11:38, like a Sunday afternoon almost. But I've had like a pretty crazy week and I really want to just get all the rest I can because I know next week is also going to be same. So today I have a few things planned. I'm thinking I'll go to Sarojini today. I actually went to Sarojini last week with Dipanshi, but we were majorly like searching things for her because she has somewhere to go. And then after that I am going to go and get myself a gym membership today. Most probably I'll go and search 2-3 gyms में. And the third thing that I have to do is कि मैं fabric लेकर आई थी, ठीक है. I went to this shop in Kamla Nagar that goes by the name Gulati and they have such pretty fabrics in case you're looking for fabrics in general for suit, lehenga, sari, you name it and you have it. If you're like looking for fabrics in general, then definitely check out this particular shop. So I have to go to the tailor and get them made into sarees. मतलब वैसे pico and fall लगवाना है मुझे उसमें. That needs to be done. So I have these 3 things in my mind, and fourth, of course, I have to arrange all the stock for Zoe. That's also on today's to-do list.
Leave this paradise. If we stay together, the sun will shine forever.
All my stuff in this particular bag. ज़्यादा कुछ था नहीं, just some cash, metro card, lip balm, and my OnePlus buds for music. Also, if you're going to Sarojini, do not forget to carry a bottle of water. This I'm going to keep in the tote that I'm going to carry along to keep all the stuff in it because polythene se better. Just carry a bag of your own. It's way convenient. Before I officially like reach home, there was so much crowd in the market. मतलब I tried shooting like bits and parts of it, but oh भाई साहब, it literally felt like मेला लगा है. मतलब इतने ज़्यादा लोग थे. And then I usually get down at the pink line वाला metro station which is Sarojini Nagar, and then वहाँ से walking distance है, like just निकलते ही सामने it's the market. While I was heading back home, जहाँ से सरोजनी की एंट्रेंस होती है ना, उससे भी पीछे तक लाइन लगी हुई थी. सो आई वेंट टू आईना मेट्रो स्टेशन, द येलो लाइन वन. उस पर भी इतनी लंबी लाइन थी. इट वॉज क्रेजी क्राउडेड, बट आई गॉट समथिंग रियली अमेजिंग. एंड आई एम गोइंग टू डू द व्लॉग लाइक द हॉल पार्ट डिफरेंटली, लाइक अलग से एक वीडियो में बनाऊंगी. just took a shower, washed my hair, and now it's time to do like a little skincare and body care. Like I'm supposed to put moisturizer and everything, but while I'm doing that, I want to talk to you guys about a few things. Mainly one thing that I don't know if it's just me or it happens with everybody, that you know, you have those phases like एक month you'll be fine, the next month you're like, what am I doing in my life? And the next month you're like, fine, I have to pull myself together. And it's just a cycle, and it's been happening with me for a very, very long time. Like I've been seeking happiness in material things, like honestly in material things. I think that's the reason that I've shopped quite a lot, and I am I'm broke at this point, and I honestly just realized it while I was showering half an hour back कि बहुत ज़्यादा हो रहा है, and I just really like thought to myself कि क्यों हो रहा है, and I was like यार, because every time I'm just using retail therapy at this point. I'm literally on retail therapy at this point. I'm not sure what's happening. I'm really, really not sure what's happening. But I've decided to take charge of my life again. I want to just pull myself together and just figure out what's going wrong. It's a new day tomorrow. It's a new week, new day. I'm gonna make some changes that should have been done long time back. I'm gonna get into a proper routine. I'm gonna figure out a healthy lifestyle, and these are things that really, really need to be done at this point, because otherwise I'm gonna lose it. So yeah, I'm gonna do that tomorrow for sure. Just live in the moment is all I want to say, because I honestly have a lot of regrets in life, and I think that's a topic for another vlog. But yeah, just live in the moment, you'll be much, much happier. Right now I'm just gonna wait for my hair to dry, because it's gonna take a while to dry up, and meanwhile I'm just gonna work on a few things. Yeah, I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Also, one more thing I'm doing tomorrow, except getting my gym membership, is that I'm gonna go and get okay, I'm supposed to show you guys the lehenga, right? Here is my lehenga. This is the shop that I got it from. It's the Haryana Silk in Sarees Private Limited. This is how it looks like. इसके ऊपर पूरा गोटा पट्टी का काम हुआ हुआ है, and the blouse is yet to be stitched, and the dupatta is like in a contrasting color. This is like it's like a very beautiful blue. I don't know what shade it is called, but it's a very pretty blue. And the dupatta is more like a sea green, mint green sort of a situation happening. So kal iska blouse silwane mujhe jana hai. Good morning, you guys. It is Monday morning, and I remember how I said that I want to get into this really healthy routine and wake up early, exercise and all of those things, but I couldn't wake up early. It's currently 9:30 a.m. but at least something is better than nothing. I usually used to wake up around like 10:30, 11:30, so I made some progress, which I'm really happy about. Yeah, I mean, it's a weekday, it's an office day, it's a weekday, so I'm just gonna get to work. But before that, I want to mention something to you. Remember how I washed my hair last night and I had them open while I was talking to you guys? But after that, I plopped my hair into like a cotton t-shirt and left it for the entire night, because I just wanted to check how how this entire method works. And let's just fix the angle a bit. Yeah, so yeah, I want to check how the entire method works, because I've seen a lot of people do this plopping method for the entire night. Now one thing I want to mention is that if your hair is like extremely wet, please don't do it, because that way your hair will stay wet till the morning and you will get like itchy scalp and scalp issues, and you don't want that. Mine got 90%, not 90%, but at least 70-80% dry while I was talking to you. My scalp was fully dry. मेरे बाल सिर्फ यहाँ से लेके नीचे तक गिरे थे. So I plopped them up, and this is the result. This situation is weird, but okay, let's see. So this is how they turned out, and I pretty much like it. I mean, the curl formation is really pretty. So if you're a curly girl, definitely try this. And if you have already tried this, let me know in the comments down below how was your experience. Hello and welcome to Niharika Salon, जहाँ निहारिका नीचे बैठ रही है पहले तो, और दूसरी बात ये एंटरटेन करने के लिए खुद ही गाने गाती है और क्लाइंट से काम करवाती है. नेल्स नहीं काट रही है मेरे, मुझे खुद से काटने पड़ रहे हैं. तो सिंस वी डू नॉट हैव पावर तो ऑफिस का काम तो हो नहीं रहा है. 2 घंटे हो गए वेस्ट करते हुए. सो आई थॉट कि चलो नेल्स ही करा लेते हैं. खोल दी मैंने. हमेशा जब भी मैं सुपर ग्लू यूज करती हूँ, फेविक्विक या कोई भी टाइप की ग्लू जो सुपर हो, तो ये सुपर हो जाता है मेरा. हमेशा क्यों नहीं होता? ओके हाय, आई एम बैक. फ़ोन में बैटरी नहीं थी, निहारिका को काम आ गया था एंड वी डिड नॉट हैव पावर, सो आई कुड नॉट रिकॉर्ड इट ऑन कैमरा, बट वी डिड माई नेल्स. शी डिड everything. I could not do anything, and yeah, I took them off also because I was not able to really work, but I'm gonna attach like a little video of me with big nails. It's a very rare situation. I liked them for 2 hours and then took them off because I was not really able to work on the laptop, and my work requires me to work at a very good speed on Excel, and it was just messing up. Right now I'm just gonna go. I have to actually go to the market. मेरे को जाना तो एक्चुअली टेलर के पास था. A lot of noise. मुझे एक्चुअली जाना तो टेलर के पास था, बट राइट नाउ आई एम गोना गो एंड गेट माई सेल्फ अ जिम मेम्बरशिप एंड ऑल्सो रोम अराउंड कमला नगर बिकॉज आई जस्ट फील लाइक.
Look like a guy who treat me right. Boy, take a chance when you let me ride. I could be the best thing in your life. Baby, let's take a drive, take a drive. Baby, let's take a drive, take a drive.
Alrighty guys, I am back home and of course changed into very random set of pajamas, which is not even a set, but yeah, whatever. Okay, so basically I received my birthday gift from Anmol. I've been waiting for this since so long. I think 10-12 दिन से ऊपर हो चुका है, but I was waiting for this since the longest time and it's finally here and I cannot wait to start using it. Also, I'm planning to make a video about the gifts I received on my birthday. I don't know, I love watching those videos and it's just fun to watch. Let me know in the comment down below if you guys will be interested in something like that. Anyway, मैं बना ही दूंगी, but yeah, and yeah, just very excited to talk right now. I really hope that you guys like this video. I'm gonna end the vlog right here. In case you liked it, definitely hit that subscribe button. Also like the video, comment, share, follow me on Instagram, follow Zoe on Instagram, and I'm gonna see you guys very soon.